As a
Yeah,
co-host, you can.
I already clicked the recording. So perfect, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, yeah, this session also is recorded. I will share the link at the end of it. Once the recording is processed, I will share the link. So the topic is how Amespa products are going to help in day-to-day life. Okay, and better that we mute everybody. Can you guys just click mute all? Co-host, host, yeah. Okay, I have muted everyone. Okay, guys, now you can focus on the presentation. So the first question that I'm asking everyone is that technological revolution today is considered as the fourth revolution stage. In this particular fourth revolution stage, we are in the stage where wireless technology is taking off the world. This wireless technology literally, basically, is part and parcel of each and every one of our life. From mobile phones that we use, our computers today are all laptops, are iPads. Nobody anymore, wants to use the big size laptops, which are wired, right? Except in offices. Everybody wants, which is detachable, easy to carry, put in your hand, plug and play, everything. And we use Bluetooth. Very, very dangerous also your Bluetooths, because they completely disconnect your phone, but the wireless technology is directly entering into your ears through, and there is a brain organ which is nearby. So this wireless technology is considered as tobacco of the digital age. Why I am comparing wireless technology with tobacco is because when the tobacco was first introduced, even doctors prescribed to the patients with severe stress. But today, you know that tobacco can cause cancer. You got my point? But when it was introduced, nobody knows what kind of damage it can cause. Similarly, today, the wireless technology that we are all using, it was not tested against human health. And we keep on increasing. Exponentially, we are increasing the frequency, the range, the effectiveness, and everything has been increased tremendously, which can potentially affect us, our health. So if you understand what are the wireless technologies today we are using in, day out, they are TV stations, electric smart meters, cell phone tower emissions in and around, local TV station signals, radio station signals, satellites. Today, there are thousands of satellites in the space constantly sending the signals onto the planet Earth for various, our TV channels. We have lots and lots of communication devices that are connected to satellites. They are all wireless signals. They're all EMFs, electromagnetic fields. Wi-Fi in our homes, cell phones, tablets, computers, electric appliances, all these things, they comprise of wireless devices or wireless technologies. Okay, but what is the biggest evolution today we are going to talk about is that we started off with a simple computer in 1977, and we moved on to 1G, 2G, 3G, 4G, the fourth generation technology. This call is on a 4G network. You understand, guys? This particular call is on 4G network. But the new thing out there, which is already implemented by many countries and it is going to come in many other countries, it is called 5G, fifth generation technology. Have you guys heard of fifth generation technology? 5G is what is going to take this world completely into a different, totally into a different, okay? Yeah, okay, fine. So 5G network means it is fifth generation wireless technology. It is simply 100 times faster than the current 4G technology. If you are able to use your 4G network on your phone or from your wireless router in your home, and you are able to download a movie, say example 10 gigabyte size, and it takes 6 minutes on a 4G network, and you say, wow, that is amazing, right? 6 minutes, if you are able to use internet and download a particular file of 10 gigabyte size, you will say thumbs up, very nice. But when 5G rolls out in your country, the same 10 gigabyte file downloaded already, 3.6 seconds. 3.6 seconds, you are able to download that big file. And this 5G network is going to change the way that we are currently living. Understand this one more time. Huh? The 5G is going to completely change the way that we are living currently. Because 5G is not just only internet. It is a total infrastructure change. Currently, there are cell phone towers for 4G network and below, 4G, 3G, 2G and all. They have cell phone towers which are placed kilometer apart, 1 kilometer distance between each cell phone tower, like in between, okay? But 5G network, there will be millions of antennas. There will be millions of antennas installed at a very short distance of 60 meters. The distance between each antenna will be 60 meters. So that you will have in your society, in your community, in your vicinity, in a township, you will have millions of small antennas, which you may not even recognize, but they are present and they emit 5G frequencies, 5G waves, so that you get unlimited access to your devices which works on 5G. Satellites also going to beam 5G waves from the space station. So our entire communication system will be connected to 5G network. That means our mobile phones, our iPads, our laptops, televisions, and everything. But it is not limited only to these devices. 5G is an infrastructure. Infrastructure means it is more than just mobile phones. Understand this. 5G network is also going to come into your home, and it will be applied to each and every appliance in your home. Meaning you can turn on your air condition from your office. You can turn on your washing machine, your vacuum cleaner, your refrigerator, whatnot. Every single device in your home can be operated remotely, even from other country. How do you guys feel? How do you guys feel if I can operate from here, your home? I can turn off lights, turn on lights, AC on, AC off. Isn't it something futuristic? Yeah, we are going to see that very, very soon. Okay. And logistics, healthcare, manufacturing is going to completely change. You will have robotics operating. You can see very, very soon in next couple of years, remote surgeries. Have you heard of this one? Remote surgeries. Doctor will be in UK, but he can perform a surgery in Ghana on your heart. This is very, very real. And you no need drivers to drive the car. You already know about it. Driverless cars already, tested. And we will have all those systems going to ineffective in transportation, heavy machinery, utilities. So according to a research, 50 billion things are going to be connected to 5G very, very soon. If you understand, when all these things are connected to 5G, what is going to happen? Earth atmospheric electromagnetic fields, they are going to exponentially increase. Is there any problem to us when it happens? Technologically, it is very, very good for all our businesses, all our, whatever that you do for your living. But health-wise, it is very, very bad for us, because human beings are made of energy. We are energy beings. Do you know that we are energy beings? Our body is made of energy. Yes. Because we are made of energy, we are sensitive to our other energies in the environment. We are sensitive to other energies in the environment. That is the reason why when we tested a person exposed to 30 minutes of mobile phone radiation and we checked the energy field before and after. Okay, as you see here right now on the screen, you can see there is a person's energy field before exposing to mobile phone radiation. The energy field is very strong around the body, whereas after exposing to 30 minutes, the energy field distorted. There are spikes in some places, there are depressions in other places, meaning our energy field, our biofield, we have a protective layer around our body, protective energy field around our body. We call it as energy field or human biofield, which will get distorted because of exposure to mobile phone radiation, exposure to all the electromagnetic fields in the environment that we are living in. What it can cause, these EMFs are responsible for all the problems related to mental stress. If I ask you this question, have you guys ever experienced any of the mental stress problems in your life? Do you? People have headaches. People don't get sleep properly. We have concentration problem, focus problem. Kids today are addicted to mobile phones. They are not able to concentrate on their studies. Why? Because there are a lot of distractions. Mobile phones are distraction. The radiation is constantly affecting our brain, mind, our focus. So this entire list that you are looking right now on your screen, all these physical and mental problems are because of increased amount of electromagnetic fields around us. If today God gives you a special ability, say example, Mr. Clement asked, give me some kind of a power. I want to see what is present in the environment. You are able to see right now what is present in the environment. And you have this ability right now, say example, okay, you got this special power to be able to see what kind of radiation in the atmosphere. I bet you will not opt to live in this world. You may teleport yourself, or you may want to go to somewhere peaceful area because there is chaos in the current environment. There's a billions of radiations, billions of waves in our environment today, which are constantly bombarding our body. It is similar to rain barrel concept, meaning when there is rain coming, you know, right? When the rain coming, there are drops coming out from a pipe, and you put a vessel where the water is coming down. You put a vessel there, and these drops keep on pouring into the vessel. And once it is full, it overflows. Once it is full, it overflows. It is similar to your mind, your brain. Your brain can only able to accommodate certain amount of stress. Anything more than that, it overflows. Means you're unable to bear anymore. That is the level where you are right now. You are saturated with EMFs. Your environment is saturated with EMFs. So your anxiety levels are very high. Your stress levels are very high. You are impacted. You are affected by this radiation on a daily basis. On a daily basis, you are affected. Okay. So mobile phones, which are 7 billion in circulation right now, they are contributing a lot of chunk, a lot of contribution is coming from mobile phones for this anxiety or stress or all these problems. Look at this picture. Can anyone tell what is the difference that you are looking at right now? From the first picture of the kid holding a phone to the second picture. If you give a mobile phone to a kid of 6 years of age, and the baby or a kid talks on the phone for 6 minutes, her brain 90%, sorry, 70% is absorbing the heat. Are you guys with me? 70% of the kid's brain is absorbing the mobile phone radiation and increasing the heat. What are we talking about? We are talking about a huge amount of radiation, right? We are talking about a huge amount of radiation entering into our brains. And adults, 30% of radiation is entering into our brain. Every call that you make, which lasts minimum 6 minutes. And WHO in 2011 has conducted a study along with International Agency for Research on Cancer. It concluded that mobile phones are possible human carcinogens. Mobile phones can cause gliomas, which are brain tumors, over a period of time, longer period of time. It can cause, mobile phones can cause cancer. Is it enough, guys, to understand that mobile phones are dangerous? You understand the point? The very, very important point is that mobile phones are dangerous. The technology behind the mobile phones is not tested for our day-to-day life. For a human being, it is not tested whether it is healthier or it is safe. The safety levels were not measured, but we keep on increasing the range of electromagnetic emission from the sources of wireless technology. So, how to live energized in this wireless world? The biggest question is, how can I protect myself from these energies that are present in today's world, which are keep on increasing year after year, year after year, year after year, with new technologies emerging? If you escape the city culture, or even from the place that you are living in, you just relocate yourself to a jungle or a forest, do you think you are safe? No. The 5G network is also present in the middle of the ocean. Even if you are in the middle of the ocean, the 5G network is available there. That means you are unable to, you are absolutely in a helpless state. You cannot avoid exposure of these EMFs to your body. So the best way to protect ourselves is by strengthening our biofield, is by elevating our energy fields, our brain power to balance. And that is where QNet came up with a fantastic solution, which is 15 years now. It is not just developed right now. Amesqua is been around from QNet for last 15 years. Today we have the 4th generation of technology that can help us to protect our brains, our bodies from the damages from modern day technology, and that is nothing but Amesqua Chip Pendant 4. Amesqua Chip Pendant 4 is what is going to help. What is Amesqua Chip Pendant 4? Let us watch a video first and then we talk about it. Is that fine? So guys, let me present to you a Mesqua Cheap Pendant 4. This Cheap Pendant 4 is a beautiful product, a wearable tech. That means you can wear it around your body. You can wear it on your neck, and this will help you to boost. It will help you to protect your body's basic innate intelligence. Now, how does it work? In a very, very simple language, because we are all not doctors, we are not all scientists, right? Our brain already have intelligence. Our brain knows what kind of frequencies are good for our body, what kind of frequencies are bad for our body. Let me give you a very simple example. Okay, you are living in a place, say example, you are living in an apartment. Next to your building, there is a huge, big project. Construction is happening. Okay, definitely you will expect that there are a lot of machineries working, proclaners. You have lots and lots of, heavy machinery is going to work there. There'll be a massive sounds. Or you are driving a car back home and you are stuck in a traffic jam. There are hundreds of cars, both the sides stuck together, and every car is decided to honk. You know honking? And you are listening to honking. You are listening to those sounds. How do you feel? Do you feel pleasant? Or you feel irritated? Definitely irritated. You feel like you are, tired or exhausted, or your brain is getting headache or some kind of discomfort, right? But when you imagine yourself in a completely different area, like for example, you are in a beach, you are in a hill station, or you are in a rainforest, and the sounds there are in the nature. Are you guys with me? When you are actually in a nature, you will enjoy the sounds of the nature, whether it can be sounds coming from the tides of the ocean, it can be wind making noise, or it can be the sounds of the leaves, raindrops, anything which is in nature. Your brain has ability to process and boost your mood or your thinking or your brain functioning. So we are using in our product Cheap Pendant 4 a unique technology called ART. ART stands for Amesqua Resonance Technology. Amesqua Resonance Technology is basically very, very unique for QNet. It is the QNet's very own proprietary technology. Okay, and this particular technology is so unique, first of its kind in the entire world, and it will help our body to protect against EMFs up to 5G network, up to 5G. Okay, this is very interesting, that because up to 5G, that is something you have a device that can protect you right now. Okay, if not Cheap Pendant 4, you are definitely going to get the side effects of the new technologies that are going to come. Okay, and each Cheap Pendant 4 works for 30 years. The lifespan of each Cheap Pendant 4 is 30 years, and there is no age restriction. Anybody can wear it. Okay, so the technology in our product ART, Amesqua Resonance Technology, it uses law of resonance. Okay, in network marketing, we call it very, very important, right? Law of resonance means if you listen to any of the leaders' speech, for example, Mr. Clement, when you take a presentation to your downlines, okay, if you talk to your downlines, the downlines who just joined QNet, they don't know anything about QNet, right? They don't know how to present. They don't know what is company. They don't know anything about it, right? But after listening to you 10 times, after listening to you presenting 10 times, they will become presenters. They will be able to master the art of presentation. How it is happening? Because whatever you are saying, whatever you are teaching, they are understanding and absorbing, because you both are in the same frequency. Okay, so art technology is also a chip which is present inside the chip and 4, which is bombarded with the frequencies which are very important for our brain to function optimally. So it is a chip which is bombarded with frequencies, and it uses the law of resonance. That means this chip sits into a chamber where the energies are being bombarded for certain period of time, like 10 days or 15 days, like that. And then this chip will become an emitter of frequencies. It will start emitting those frequencies now. How many years it will emit? 30 long years it will emit. Okay, 30 years it will be constantly sending out the frequencies to your brain, because you are wearing the pendant on your heart. Heart and brain are always connected. Our heart and our brain are always connected energetically. They are connected energetically. So when you wear the chi pendant, the frequencies from the chi pendant directly connects to your brain, and your brain can enhance its functioning. Okay, and chi pendant 4 got 2 special geometric designs. If you observe closely on the chi pendant 4, there is an octagon. There is an octagon. Octagon means it has got eight sides of a polygon, right? Octagon. And there is a design in the center called flower of life. These 2 designs got a function in our life. Even the design got function. Not only the chip inside, even the design got function in our life. So what are the final benefits that you will get out of chi pendant 4? After wearing chi pendant 4, you will feel energized. Can you tell me who don't want to be energized right now? Everybody needs energy right now, because we are feeling tired after working some time. From the time you start your work in the morning, after a few hours, like 6 hours or 8 hours, your energy is drained completely. But with chi pendant 4, you will be feeling always energized. Do you want to be having, do you want that kind of energy levels every day? Everyone? And our physical performance also will be boosted. After wearing chi pendant 4, your physical performance will be boosted. What is physical performance? You are jogging, you are walking, you are running, you are doing any kind of activity, you are mentally working in your office, or even for this business, you need a lot of talking. You need to use your brains. All these things comes under performance, right? So physical performance is purely towards your endurance, your energy expenditure. All these things will boost. And when you wear the pendant and sleep, you get fantastic sleep, a better sleep. And when you are using mobile phones, that radiation that is affecting you, and also when you travel by aeroplanes with the pressure inside the compartments, you get tired very fast. And we call this as physical exhaustion. Jet lag. Have you heard of this word, jet lag? You will not experience jet lag if you are wearing chi pendant 4. You will not experience jet lag when you are wearing chi pendant 4. And especially in this COVID time, where our immune system needs to be always up and running. Do you want your immune system to be up? All you need to do is drink biodisc energized water, wear chi pendant, take Life Code Edge 1 sachet every day. Okay, and if you have home pure water, please use home pure purified water with biodisc energized. and wear cheap NN4, you are making your immune system stronger and stronger every day. Okay, and cheap NN4 has got the best technology called ART. AMESQA resonance technology promotes brain wave coherence, which is very, very important to improve our understanding, our focus, concentration, creativity, positivity. All these things are very, very essential in today's life. In today's life, you need to be positive and you also need to be creative. Do you want to improve your creative levels, physically active, and have more protection towards your biofield? Cheap NN4 is what you need on a daily basis. Wear it as many hours as possible in a day. Like, for example, I'm wearing from morning until night. And when I'm sleeping, I'll just keep it closer to me under my pillow, or just keep it next to me is fine. You need this ultimate protection of this century because our world is changing rapidly. Outside world is changing rapidly in terms of electromagnetic fields. We need to up our game as well. We need to enhance our protection levels as well. Do you agree with me? Can we still use the same old technology which is 20 years old and expect the same kind of protection today? No. You cannot be wearing a cheap NN1 and say that it will protect me from today's environment. You're asking for too much because the world has been changed over the years. EMFs have been evolved over the years. So who needs cheap NN4? Who needs cheap NN4? Guys, you can unmute yourself and you can talk. Who should be wearing cheap NN4 every day?
Yes, I need some. I need some.
Because not only us need protection, even our kids in our home, they are also bombarded by frequencies. Have you guys understood that today, because of pandemic, our kids has to attend online classes? Isn't it true? Our kids are attending like 6 to 8 hours of online classes, and kids' brain is very sensitive. They are having more amount of water than the mass. So their absorption of radiation into kids' brain is much higher than kids, adults. So they also need protection, higher level of protection. Okay, so you can give cheap NN4 even to the kids of 6 years and above. They can wear it for 8 hours in a day. Kids also can wear the pendant 8 hours a day, 6 to 8 hours a day. Adults can wear 24 hours, no problem. Okay? Who should be wearing our pendant? Who should be wearing our pendant? Everybody who goes to office, who works in front of a computer, who has a mobile phone, or who are reading, studying, and each and everybody who wants to improve their energy levels. And where you are not supposed to use is while you are showering. Very important. Huh? While you are showering, you are not supposed to wear. You remove while you are showering. And when you go for swimming, do not use. Because the water has chemicals. These chemicals may destroy the center flower of design. There is a design in the center. That design may get damaged if you use in the water. Okay, and to clean the pendant, very simple, take a cloth and wipe it off. Okay, coming to the clinical studies, the scientific research behind our cheap NN4, it has got clinical studies from Europe, from USA. The clinical
Link
studies
no kan.
against mobile phone and Wi-Fi. We have got a lot of studies, and in the current
No,
VCC, how many of you watched our VCC segment? Have you guys attended VCon? May I see how many of you attended the VCon? You guys loved it? You guys enjoyed the VCon? May I see some hands? Was it good? Have you seen a MESQA segment in the VCon?
Yes.
Have you heard from the scientist, Dr. Beverly Rubik? She was talking about CHIP and for clinical study. And she even showed the certificates, right? The certificates are going online. I am going to upload it this week. So you can actually download it by Saturday or Monday. You can start downloading from qnet.net website. The study certificates on CHIP and 4 will be available online for you to download. That shows the credibility of our products.
Hey.
Our products not just only talk, but are proven by clinical studies, so that we are all safely can use our product. Okay, and very important, never claim that our product can cure any diseases. Understand, we are not selling drugs, we are not selling medicines, we are not doctors, we are selling a wellness device. We are selling a wellness device. So you need to be very careful in giving the right information, that it helps to prevent the disease. It is prevention, not treatment or not cure. So don't go out and say that CHIP and 4 will cure cancer. CHIP and 4 cures diabetes. CHIP and 4 is magic pendant that cures everything in your body. Don't say that. We are a pure scientific based product using energies or frequencies that help our brain to improve its function. Am I making sense, everyone? Yeah. So it is very important how you pitch the product in a right way to your customers, so that we have a community. We are going to build a community that will help everybody to use the product in a right way. Okay. So the presentation ended here. I want to take any questions if you have. Do you have any questions on CHIP and 4? If you have a question, raise your hand and ask the question. I will be able to answer to you. I will give you permission to unmute right now. You can unmute yourself. I have given permission to unmute yourself. Hi guys, you don't have any questions?
We have question.
Yes, please ask.
Okay. Thank you very much for this session. I want to find out, what did they use to do the CHIP and 4? What is inside the CHIP and 4?
Inside the CHIP and 4, there is a metal chip which is made of a special alloy with 5 different metals, and this particular chip is processed by a technology called ART, a MESQA resonance technology. Okay, the chip inside, it is made of special metal alloy which has got copper, brass, and other 3 metals. There are no minerals inside, there are no crystal powders inside. It is bombarded by frequencies. This entire process is called ART, a MESQA resonance technology, because of which the chip becomes an emitter of frequencies. So CHIP and 4 emits frequencies for the next 30 years minimum. And those frequencies are very important for our brain functioning enhancement. So our biofield will be very strong, and we can fight, or our body can withstand the attacks of electromagnetic frequencies from our environment. Is that fine?
Okay. Yes.
Yes.
Any more questions?
Okay, there's question here.
Please ask. Yeah.
Okay. My question is, I was using Chipana 3, and one thing is, whenever I have it around my neck, I feel hungry. You know, I eat a lot, and when I eat too, within some few hours, then I'll feel hungry again, and then I began to lose weight, and I heard it's because of the Chipana. So I want to ask if it's true or not.
Not everybody will get the same effect, because some of the people have got higher metabolic rate. So like you, your metabolic rate is increased. When you wear a cheap pendant, some people may not get the same effect. It will be different from person to person. Okay, in your case, your metabolic rate gone up. So it is helping you to lose energy much faster. That means you have a lot of energy to spend. You will not get tired. You will not have energy problems. So you spend a lot of energy. Obviously, you lose a lot of weight. Okay, which is also very good for you in your case. Okay, if some people are feeling lethargic, or some people having this problem of getting, some kind of a dull feeling after wearing the pendant, it can also happen. Exactly opposite to how you are feeling right now. Some people can experience extremely opposite. It is because their energy in your body is not flowing properly. There are energy which are congested. Do you know that your body has energy centers? 7 energy centers, and the energy flows through all those centers. We call meridian points or energy centers. Meridians are energy centers. If the energy is blocked in one of those energy centers, the person who is wearing the pendant may feel lethargic or tired. All you need to do is drink biodisc energized water, wear the pendant, 2 hours, put it on the body, remove for 2 hours, again put it back for 2 hours, remove 2 hours. You understand? Give energy, remove, give, remove, give, remove. If you do like this for 2 days, your body will be set. Your body is aligned afterwards. So you wear it for 2 hours, remove for 2 hours, wear it, remove. Do this process of on and off, and then you are absolutely fine. After a few days, like 2 or 3 days, your body is aligned with the cheap pendant, whether it is 3rd version or 4th version. Okay.
Okay. Thank you very much. Okay. I have another question to ask.
Please go ahead.
I learned the cheap pendant have some meters, like there's some distance. Like if you are using the cheap pendant, there's somebody is away from you 7 meters.
Okay.
The person can actually also have the effect of the cheap pendant. Is it true that way?
No, it is not true. The cheap pendant energy is only to certain distance, like 5 centimeters. 5 centimeters around the cheap pendant, not 5 meters or 7 meters or 10 meters. That is only applicable for biodisc only. For cheap pendant 4, the energy is only given to the person who is wearing it, because you need to wear it on the heart chakra or heart energy meridian point. The place where you are wearing it is called heart meridian point, solar plexus. Okay, and from here the energy is taken to the brain. From here energy is flowing to the brain. If somebody in front of me, he will not get any benefit unless you hug the person and stays there forever. You understand my point? If you hug the person and
Yes.
stay there, probably that person can get the energy field. But otherwise, you will not giving the energy to other person.
Okay. Okay. I'm okay. Okay. I'm okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, please ask. Unmute and ask.
Okay. Branson.
I have a question.
Talk.
Okay, my question is, how many years does the chip pendant fall last?
30 years.
Or when does it?
30,
Okay.
30 years. 30 years.
30 years. Keep quiet. You all talk.
Okay. My question I want to ask is, you know that we are all.
Come closer. You are wearing it.
My question I want to ask is, we know we are all bombarded with man-made electromagnetic field. So I want to ask that, how does the chip pendant help us with this? How does it protect us with these things?
Yeah, my entire presentation is actually explaining that we cannot change our environment. Is there anyone today who are listening? Can you stop 5G or 4G network which is available in your environment? Can you stop? No.
No.
The only way that we can protect is by increasing our protection. Example, if there is a rain coming from the sky, everyone listening, if the rain is coming from the sky, can you stop the rain?
No.
But can you open an umbrella and protect yourself from getting wet? Can you open an umbrella and protect your body from getting wet? Yes or no? You got my point? You cannot stop the rain falling, but can you protect your body from getting wet by opening an umbrella? I can't see it. Maybe everybody got muted. You guys can unmute. I can hear you. Otherwise, I cannot hear you. You got the point? So, chip pendant 4 enhances your protection. It enhances your protection against the EMFs in the environment. We cannot change the EMFs in the environment. They will be increasing year after year. Year after year, the threshold will be keep on going up. Only these kind of products will help you to protect your body, because only thing that you can do is make bigger umbrella, make bigger umbrella, make a bigger umbrella. But you cannot stop the rain. Yep, you can unmute yourself, Mr. Clement. Sure. Please unmute. Okay, I have already given the access to unmute everyone. I have actually allowed participants to unmute yourself. Okay, I have already asked everyone to unmute just now.
Okay.
So my answer is very clear. Everyone understood?
Okay.
Yes, we have.
My question is that we shouldn't.
I don't know who exactly asking.
My question is, he said we shouldn't bath with the chip pendant, or when we bath with it, the light flower in it will wipe away or erase.
Oh, there's too much of noise. Too much of noise. Okay, guys, what I'm going to do is I am allowing everybody to unmute, but I'm muting you first. I'm muting everybody now. Whoever wants to ask the question, unmute and ask. Only the person who is asking question, unmute. Yes, I see iPhone. Yeah, please unmute. Okay. Yeah.
My question is,
Yeah.
He said we shouldn't bath with the chip pendant 4.
Come again. The question, please ask one more time.
We are
I'm not-
not supposed to bathe with
Yes,
chip
yes,
pendant
yes,
4.
yes. We are not
That's the
supposed to.
question.
Yeah, we are not supposed to wear the pendant while you are showering. The reason, the water that we are using for shower or swimming or even in the sea water, there are a lot of hard chemicals like chlorine and many other chemicals. Those chemicals can distort or damage the laser engraving on the pendant. The pendant has flower of life design. There is a unique design on the pendant. That design will get distorted because of the chemicals that are present in the water over a period of time. It cannot happen one time, but prolonged usage of pendant during the shower or swimming. So avoid the activities which involves the water directly stagnating on the pendant. Okay, so avoid only during the shower, then you wear it back. I can see Bele Fatau. Please unmute and ask.
Okay. The question was the live flower on the chip pendant or the chip pendant 4. How does it have the positive impact on the body? That's what I want to know.
Yeah, okay. Octagon and flower of life, they are sacred geometrical designs. Let me ask you this question. In your country, do you have any old buildings which are sacred temples or masjids or church? For example, you take the religious places. Have you seen their structures? They are very unique structures. The design of the buildings, they follow geometrical shapes. Why? Because these geometrical shapes are having a function in our life. A octagon, a perfect octagon, that means a perfect octagon can transmute harmful EMF into beneficial EMF. Harmful EMF wave pattern into beneficial EMF wave pattern. It is design property. Okay.
Okay.
So flower of life denotes balance. Flower of life denotes or represents balance. Octagon represents strength or revival. Okay. And there is a chip inside which emits frequencies.
Okay.
Combination of these three properties boost our brain's innate intelligence so that you can perform very well. If you are wearing chip pendant 4 and preparing for exams, for your academic exams, you can have better focus, concentration. You understand my point? If you are if you are playing football, wearing chip pendant, you are playing football, you will have more energy to spend. You are able to keep your energy levels longer than others. All these benefits are unbelievable. You can enjoy these benefits for next 30 long years.
Okay, thank you.
Please, my question is, you said that chip pendant 4, it helps reduces the effect of e-smoke on our bodies. But my question is, I want to know, why don't it remove, then it just reduces? Meanwhile, we want our body to be cured.
Okay. If I remove radiation from our environment, your phones doesn't work. We cannot do this Zoom call. You guys understanding? If the EMFs are completely blocked, we cannot communicate. You don't want to be communicated like this? You don't want a Zoom call? You understand the point? We have to live with this EMFs. Okay. The only thing is we can protect our body by improving the energies. If we block all the energies, then there is no technology at all. We go back to Stone Age, finding the stones and trying to find the fire. Okay, thank you. Can I take the next question from anyone from Larry Prince, that group? Larry Prince, the first one. Yeah, please unmute and ask.
Okay.
My question is that why the ladies are busy not wearing chip and dance?
Come
They
again,
say if a
repeat.
lady- My question is that why the ladies having menstruation not wearing chip and dance?
For cheap pendant 3 and 4, women can wear during menstrual cycle also. There is no restriction. Even during
Okay.
pregnancy also can wear it. There is no restriction. There is no restriction. Cheap pendant 3 and cheap pendant 4 can be worn by kids, by females, women during special periods, special time, and also during pregnancy. No problem.
Okay. Thank you.
May I take another question? Yeah, can I take from okay, there is one more question.
Yes. Okay. Please, my question is the chip pendant. Is it supposed to be worn inside? You have to keep it like, does it have to touch your body, or you have to put it on your shirt? Because it seems we don't even know how we are supposed to wear it. Thank you.
You can wear it outside of your dress as well. There is no issue. You can wear outside also, because I suggest you to wear outside when somebody sees you. Like, for example, I'm traveling in the aeroplane right now. Okay, I'm wearing it outside. My next person to my seat and the other person this side will look at my pendant and ask, hey, it looks nice. What is this? I don't need to ask any question. I am already started presenting the business plan to him. Guys, you know what? This pendant is something very, very special. It protects my body. And by the way, do you want to know? I know the QNet business plan. You can start drawing the circles. Okay. The energy is still the same if you put it inside or outside. You understand? The energy is still the same if you put it inside or outside, because 5 centimeters, the energy is still the same. There is a 5 centimeters. Okay, can I take the question from Ernest? Say, Ernest, can you unmute? Unmute the mic and ask. From Te Ernest. Mr. Clement, your voice is breaking. Mr. Clement, your voice is breaking.
Okay. Of radiation, like cancer, and you buy the pendant. What is the help? Because you are already affected. Either your brain or your breast or any part of your body. Now you buy the pendant. What is the help for it?
Okay, I'm not sure. Ms. Jag, are you able to hear the question? I'm not able to understand the question. There's a lot of break.
Somebody asked me a question. Keep pendant is helping to protect radiation around yourself. All the phones, the watches, or the television. Now you are already affected.
Already affected.
What is the help?
Okay, if somebody is already electrosensitive, we call these people who are already affected, we call electrosensitive. That means they are already affected by the radiation. they have lots of mental health issues. That means they get headaches, they get all kinds of mental symptoms, right? Health symptoms. They should start wearing the pendant right away. Also, drink bio water, drink biodisc energized water, and we have a product called BioLite. We have a product called BioLite. Use white color LED in the BioLite 3 and shine it on our 7 chakras. We have 7 energy centers. You have to shine 15 minutes covering the entire chakras, 7 energy centers. If you do it continuously for at least 3 months, the person's energy field will start to fall back. There will be a lot of very good improvement. Okay?
Yes, doctor.
Yeah, please ask the next question.
Okay. Please, I want to ask, with the biodisc, I learned you can use it to energize water and use that same water to bath. But I saw some demonstration of cheap pendants that the person used, and then though the person did not put the cheap pendant inside the water that he's going to use it for bathing.
Cheap pendant is not at all recommended to energize the water. Biodisc is the only product to structurize the water. The cheap pendants that were used to energize was cheap pendant 1 and cheap pendant 2 because they are made of glass with minerals inside. Whereas cheap pendant 3 and cheap pendant 4 are made of metal with a different technology. They are not meant to use for water. It is for your brain only, your stress, your biofield, your positivity, your creativity and all. So cheap pendant, not at all advisable to use for water structuring, except cheap pendant 1 and cheap pendant 2.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, guys.
My question is,
yeah, I will take last 2 questions before we end this call because I have another meeting to go. Is that fine? Last 2 questions.
What is the effect of 2 people using cheap pendant?
When you are using a cheap pendant, when you are wearing a cheap pendant, you are actually creating an energy link with your system. Your body is creating the energy link with your cheap pendant 4. Okay. So after using for 1 month, 2 months, if you want to give it to somebody, that cheap pendant carries your energy and it is given to the other person. Okay, it is not at all advisable because if you are having low energy, you are affecting the other person, unnecessarily. So do not share the cheap pendants unless it is for a demonstration. Okay, for a simple demonstration is fine, but for continuous usage, do not. Okay.
So my question is,
one last question before we can wrap up. Yeah.
My question is, I also wanted to know, you give us the benefits of the cheap pendant 4. I also wanted to know, is there any side effects of the cheap pendant 4?
The energy, the technology doesn't have any side effects. However, some people who are already like very much balanced, when they wear this pendant, they may feel some kind of tingling sensation around the place that they are wearing. There will be some kind of sensation, and it only lasts a couple of days, like 3 or 4 days. Some people may experience headaches for a few days. These are common symptoms of any energy product that is trying to adjust with your body. It is trying to adjust with your body. Okay, ask yourself, anytime something new that you try to do, does it took time for you to adapt? The example, you started driving car for the first time. It takes some time for you to adapt and master the driving. Yes or no? Similarly, for the pendant to suit your body, your energy levels, it will take some time to adapt. After that, you will have fantastic synchronization, we can say. Okay. Otherwise, there are no major side effects. Okay.
Doctor, I started using biologics everything in my house. But when I use it, you see some cracks coming from my legs and my hands. And I don't know because of that or what. If I stop, I'm not seeing it. But if I'm using it, I will see it. All my family. And I don't know what.
Okay, your voice is not clear, but if I understand your question, if you are continuously using your Amesqua products, what happens if you stop? Is it the question?
No, I said I'm using the biologics from my family.
Okay.
When I use it, I was seeing some cracks coming from my arms and my legs, all the family. And I want to know if I leave it, nothing. But if I continue using it, I'll be seeing the effect. It doesn't disturb. I want to know what happened.
After using Biodisc water, you're getting cracks? You mean?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. How much water you're drinking, you need to increase that consumption of water. You need to start drinking minimum 3 to 4 liters of Biodisc energized water. Your body is very dehydrated. Your body is very dehydrated. You need to increase the hydration, then you will not have this problem.
Okay.
You need to increase the amount of water that you are consuming. Okay. Thank you.
Yes.
Yeah. Mr. Clement, I need to jump to another call. We already shot up a little bit of time. Miss Jag, is it okay if you can close the session and I'll take leave and we can actually plan one more session like this. It's fantastic to see all of you guys. I hope you enjoyed the session. Everyone.
Yes.
I would like
Thank you.
I would like to come back again and I would like to share about Biodisc BioLite in my next session. Is that fine?
Okay.
Everyone?
Yes.
And keep using our energy products. Keep using Amesqua energy products. Okay? Thank you very much. I wish you all the best. And you guys have to help other people. You guys have to help a lot of people in your countries, in your societies. Okay? Thank you very much. Take care. God bless.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Okay, I'll just
Thank you, Dr. Shafi. Thank you so
thank you very
much.
much, Ms. Jag.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
You guys
Thank you,
continue.
Mr. Clement and everybody.
Yeah,
Sorry?
I'm making Mr. Clement the host and I'm leaving. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you very much.
Okay.
We catch up again in
All
our
right.
next. Yep. Bye-bye.